Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. I am Taiba of class 10th. I am here for conduct the morning assembly. As we all know that prayer is the best way to come closer to the God. Now, so I would like to call Miss Kakasha, class 10 for school prayer.
Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. I am Kakasha Fatima from class 10th and today I am here for singing a school prayer that is Itni Shakti. So join your hands. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे. हर बुराई से बच के रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे. बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना. हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. हम न सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हम ये सोचे कि क्या क्या है अर्पण. फूल खुशियों के बाटे सभी को, सबका जीवन ही बन जाए मधुबन. ओ अपनी करुणा का जल तू बहा के, कर दे पावन का हर एक मन का होना. हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. थैंक यू एंजन.
Thank you, Miss Kakasha. Now, so I would like to call Miss Srishti, class 5th for thought of the day.
Srishti, unmute yourself.
Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. My name is Srishti Pada of class 5th A and I am going to speak thought of the day. Stop waiting for things to get better and do something to make it better. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, Miss Srishti. Now, so I would like to call Miss Jivika for Hindi poem.
Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. My name is Jivika Jaswal, class 4th, row number 16. I deliver in a Hindi poem Bharat verse.
ये भारत वर्ष है हमारा, हमको प्राणों से भी प्यारा है। यहाँ हिमालय खड़ा हुआ, संतरी सरीखा अड़ा हुआ, गंगा की निर्मल धारा है। ये भारत वर्ष हमारा है। क्या ये पहाड़ियां हैं न्यारी, जिनमें सुंदर झरने जारी, शोभा में सबसे न्यारा है। ये भारत वर्ष हमारा है। तन मन धन प्राण चढ़ाएंगे, हम इसका मान बढ़ाएंगे। सबका सौभाग्य सितारा है, ये भारत वर्ष हमारा है। प्रस्तुत कविता में कवि सोहनलाल द्विवेदी जी ने हमें ये बताया भारत का महिमा की वर्णन किया है। थैंक यू एंड जय हिंद एवरीवन।
Thank you, Ms. Sivika. Now I would like to call Ms. Shreyanshi for school anthem.
Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. This is Shreyanshi Tripathi from class 7th A, and today I am here for school anthem. So join your hands and be ready for the national school anthem. We are children of sunbeam, over the whole world we shine, shining stars of our country on stormy seas, darkest night. We are children of sunbeam, over the whole world we shine, shining stars of our country on stormy seas, darkest night. Years and miles will take us away to find our fortunes one fine day, but in our hearts we'll never forget the sunbeam of our childhood days. We are children of sunbeam, over the whole world we shine, shining stars of our country on stormy seas, darkest night. We love to honor our teachers, we sacrifice for our friends, we labor and fight for the glory, till our life finally ends. We love to honor our teachers, we sacrifice for our friends, we labor and fight for the glory, till our life finally ends. We are children of sunbeam, over the whole world we shine, shining stars of our country on stormy seas, darkest night. We have the beauty of the Taj Mahal and strength of the Himalaya peaks. We have the kindness of Buddha and virtues of Tulsi Kabir. We have the beauty of the Taj Mahal and strength of the Himalaya peaks. We have the kindness of Buddha and virtues of Tulsi Kabir. We are children of sunbeam, over the whole world we shine, shining stars of our country on stormy seas, darkest night. We work hard to make a bright future and do the best in every attempt. We promise to love our country and stand for truth till the end. We work hard to make a bright future and do the best in every attempt. We promise to love our country and stand for truth till the end. We are children of sunbeam, over the whole world we shine, shining stars of our country on stormy seas, darkest night. Years and miles will take us away to find our fortunes one fine day, but in our hearts we'll never forget the sunbeam of our childhood days. We are children of sunbeam, over the whole world we shine, shining stars of our country on stormy seas, darkest night. On stormy seas, darkest night. On stormy seas, darkest night. Thank you, Anjali.
Thank you, Ms. Shreyanshi. Now I would like to call Ms. Subi for poem.
Subhi, late 10 pass. Okay. Non-mute yourself.
Good morning and Jai Hind. Class study roll number 39. Poem. He leaves the nest and flexes his wing and stop and starts, and bit by bit he makes his way to top of the tree, and his neck up, his tail up, his foot up, his come up, the cock lifts his eyes up and crows. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, Mr. Vinas. I would like to call Ms. Raji for news headline.
Today I will going to speak news headline. First, Australia humble India 7-1 in men hockey. Second, PV Sindhu makes a winning start. Third, India versus Sri Lanka. First T20, India 164.5 beat Sri Lanka 126 out in 18.3 OV by 38 run in Colombo. Fourth, cops bust fingerprint cloning gang arrest 11 arrest in Gorakhpur. Fifth, Ramappa temple on now World Heritage sits Telangana 16th century Ramappa temple get UNESCO World Heritage sits tag. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, Ms. Ranjina. I would like to call Ms. Sakshi for Doha.
Chi. Oh no, where is this? Sakshi, unmute yourself.
Sir, I don't see the screen.
Pardon? Sakshi, are you available?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What happened?
Sir, I don't see the screen.
You don't have a screen. Leave it. Mezbin, unmute yourself.
ऐसी वाणी बोलिए मन का आपा खोए, औरन को शीतल करे अपुहा शीतल होए। अर्थ, कबीर जी हमारे मुख से निकलने वाले बातों को अत्यधिक महत्व देते हैं। कहते हैं कि हमें ऐसी वाणी बोलनी चाहिए जिसे सुनकर दूसरों से भी प्रसन्नता हो और खुद को भी प्रसन्नता महसूस हो। हमें ऐसी बातें करनी चाहिए जिससे किसी को बुरा ना लगे और उनके मन को ठेस ना पहुंचे। थैंक यू एंड जय हिंद।
Thank you. Taiba.
Thank you, Ms. Mahazavina. I would like to call Ms. Deepa. Topic to be spoken.
Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. This is Deepa Singh of class 5th standard and I am here to present topic to be spoken. My topic is health is wealth. Health is the biggest wealth for human beings in his her life. One can survive without excess money but can't survive without good health. Health is something that we can't buy with money but we can take care it. If a person is not having good health, he will not enjoy in his her life. Money doesn't make a person rich and happy, but good health does make over person can't feel complete and happy without good health. Thank you, Jai.
Taiba, unmute.
Thank you, Ms. Deepa. Now, I would like to call Ms. Ashi for action song.
Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. My name is Anshita, also class 4 session 8 on number 1. Listen to the music,
Thank you, Miss Hasina. So I would like to call birthday boy Master Ayush Tiwari.
Ayush, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Better introduce yourself. Tiwari ji. Ayush. Beta unmute beta. Ayush unmute. Video switch on.
Yes, sir.
Video switch on. Okay, give your introduction.
My name is Ayush Tiwari.
Okay.
I read in class 3.
Study in class third. Okay. Ashraf sir, please sir, help him.
Sir, good morning and join to everyone. Yeah, Ayush, wish you a very, very happy birthday today. I hope you are well and
Thank
fine.
you, sir.
I wish that you will just go ahead in your future. This is my good well wishes to you. Thank you and Jai Hind everyone.
Christy unmute.
Thank you, sir.
Christy unmute. Christy.
My name is Ansika Upadhyay. I am 8 years old.
Okay. Let's clap for them 9 and 8 times. Please, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one first for Ayush. Now for Ansika. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Happy birthday to you, sha la 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 la. Happy birthday to you, sha la 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 la. Happy birthday to you, sha la 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 la. We wish you a happy birthday. May God bless you, sha la 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 la. May God bless you, sha la 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 la. May God bless you, sha la 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 la. We wish you a happy birthday. Cakes and chocolates, sha la 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 la. Cakes and chocolates, sha la 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 la. Cakes and chocolates, sha la 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 la. We wish you a happy birthday. Gift and warm hugs, sha la 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 la. Gift and warm hugs, sha la 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 la. Gift and warm hugs, sha la 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 la. We wish you a happy birthday.
Now, so I would like to call Principal Sir for addressing the morning assembly.
Thank you, Taiba, and all. Good morning and Jai Hind. Some simple reminders, nothing new. It was nice to see you last week doing your best job, that you were very much honest in front of QCG team. Anyway, let's begin. The offer which school authority has again given will end on 31st July 2021, which is as follows. Either your parents should pay 3 months fee at one instant to get waiver of 45% for the next month fee, or they should pay 5 months fee at one instant so that 6th month fee will be completely waived off. And for this, they can visit school office between 8:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. any working day, or they can use the school's app. But nowadays, I can see school apps is charging 2% extra. It's up to them. Otherwise, they can directly use Google Pay, Phone Pay, and they can transfer on the following account of HDFC Bank. The account name is Sunbeam School, Dildar Nagar, EOS. Shobha Foundation, and account number is 5020004364959. IFSC code for the same account branch is STFC 0004265, and they can send a screenshot so that they can save their 2%. It's up to them. They can come and give cash, card, whatsoever. Everything is available in school counter also, or they can pay from home itself. Still, I can see some of the notebooks are here. Those who are not collected, please ask your parents to come tomorrow between 12 noon to 1:30 p.m. Even today, they can come between 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. to collect the same. There are notebooks still with me. Please ask them to come and collect. Our next copy checking will be in the first week of August. Date we shall give later. There will be slight changes in the timetable. That's why you can see the DP has been replaced. That timetable will be updated soon. Until I'm providing the new timetable, you will follow the previous timetable only. Okay, and the last duty of the July month will be held on Saturday. Okay, subject and all I have already informed, but subjective part and dictation sheet will be happening on Zoom platform only. Okay, what you did last Saturday, the same will be followed for subjective. Objective links you will get directly. And please check on school's app if your sorry Nitya, wait, just if your uniform photo is not there, please send me so that I can update. Now she has gone and down. It's okay. Next to Taiwa. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now it's time for national anthem and gender.
Stand up, everyone.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्ज्वल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you and Jai Hind, everyone. Have a good day.
Thanks, Mehbin and Rituraj, and thanks to everyone. Now, assembly is